Hello and Merry Christmas! This time of year everyone's really generous with gifts and presents. Even businesses give presents and gifts to their customers, employees, suppliers, even their accountants. Let's take a look under our tree here and see what we've got. This is for one of our suppliers. There'll be no corporation tax deduction for us because I don't know if you can guess what that is, but you don't get any deductions for food, drink or tobacco, but they will get a nice bottle of sherry. The only thing that you can get tax relief on is something with a company logo, but who wants an umbrella with a company logo on for Christmas? You can get tax relief for gifts on what you produce, samples effectively, so if we made chocolates we might be a bit more popular, or reared turkeys, so we could give them one of those and they could get tax relief on the cost of making those. So we might have to branch out into sherry production for next year. And we've got, oh, it's another bottle. This is for Malcolm Elf. He's one of our employees. I got a good deal. It's 2 for £20. We'll get a deduction for this. It's a small gift exemption. I can give my elf employees gifts of up to £50 exempt under the trivial gift rules, and we'll get tax relief on it. And what else have we got under the tree? Oh, we've got this. This is actually vouchers for Buddy Elf. He £45 for Lock & Co. Elves do love a nice hat. Now be careful with vouchers. Vouchers can be tricky. You have to check the small print. They can be taxable as if they're cash, if they can be exchanged for cash. So on these the redeemable value is 1p, so this one's fine. We can give as many of these non-cash gifts as we want throughout the year. The only restriction is that we can't give the directors or family of the directors more than £300 in the total in gifts for the year. But £300 buys a lot of hats. And there's one more thing under the tree. It's an invitation to the Christmas party. We always have a big party. Costs £130 per head. We get this under the annual event exemption and tax deductible for the company. The cost per head gets reduced if we invite suppliers, customers as guests, or invite elf partners. We don't have to add the partners' costs to the employees' costs, so it reduces the per head value. We also hold another event in June, summer barbecue, costs £30 per head. It does mean that we go over the annual event exemption, which is £150. So we have to decide what to pay the tax on. We pay tax on the lower amount, being the £30 per head for the summer barbecue. You can't add them up and just do the excess, it just has to be per event. And we pay the tax directly on this because elves have very small pockets and spend all their money on hats and candy canes, so never hold on to enough money for the extra taxes. We've added a helpful list of how gifts will be treated on our website at www.beatons.co.uk. And I have to say, this vlog contains a general summary and is not intended to be comprehensive. Beatons accepts no loss for any action taken or any lack of action as a result of the contents of this document. Specific tax advice should always be taken in every individual situation. Merry Christmas.